Quick video today on our Range Rover Sport 2010. It's got the Autobiography kit on it, so it's got these sort of tailpipes here, and it's these inserts we're going to change here. So if you're going to have a look, so below the reflectors you've got these inserts. Now there's 3 pieces, and they're available in different colours. So we've got chrome in there at the moment. You probably can't see, but you can now with the reflection. And we're sort of going for a more black look on this vehicle. So we're going to replace these for gloss black. We do them in 3 colours. We've got the gloss black, the silver and the chrome. So there's the silver. It's like a titanium silver, which I think was the standard colour. Now that was the factory colour, but we're going to go for this gloss black one here. So we're going to take it out. Now the middle section is actually the toe eye cover that reveals the toe eye. So I think it's probably easier to take that whole toe eye off. So Ian's going to, so if you get underneath, there's the little quarter turn screws there. That's right. Turn them in the direction front to rear of the car. I should just pull down then. That's it. You push them from the back, is it?
Yeah, you can get up behind them.
There he goes. They pop that right. So let's have a look. So they fit with they've got like these little clips that poke out the back. So we should better just try and push those off. Now that's it. We can see that. Come on, let me hold that one out, because that one, you get the one out and the other one pops. There we go. So that's it. So that's not too bad. So you can see there that, oh, if I get my finger behind it, I'll get my trousers behind it. You can see the shape. That's sort of like an arrowhead shape there. And so they push in and clip in. So you got 4 clips on the. It looks like one of those is broken. Whether it's now or another time, I don't know. But the chrome ones tend to be more brittle. Right. So that's that. Also, you could give it a clean, but for the video, we'll just put the new one on. I was going to say, just do them all pretty much together, isn't it? There we go.
That's the centrepiece.
That's the centrepiece. So leave that to one side for a minute, and let's try those other. Now you haven't really got the luxury of getting in behind these, so I think you're better off just levering them out. There we go. That doesn't look too bad. That's it. Right. How about other one? That should just dock straight in there. You have to give them a bit of a thump, really.
You just need to make sure you get them all
in before you thump it.
aligned.
There we go. Yeah. So yeah, just make sure you've got those other ones aligned. Yeah, let's finish. We'll just finish that off just so you guys can see what it looks like with it all done. That seemed to go better, that one.
Yeah, if you try and just make sure they're all lined up to start with.
Now what we're actually going to do, now these grey bits look out of place, so we're going to put some matte black spray paint on those and see what that looks like then. But already that's started to make the car, yeah, start to make it look more black. Okay, so if you're doing that, good luck swapping those over.